Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this simple inventory system using Angular. So here you can see this is mobile responsive. So you can see here, this is you can enter the product name. So I'm going to enter the product name toy. Price I'm going to enter 1200. Quantity I'm going to select as 2. Click add button. Here it is added successfully onto the table. Uh, the total has been calculated, final total. The another one is we have to order another item, which is a shoe, the pair of shoes. Price 1000. Quantity, I'm going to buy 3 quantity. Here the amount has been displayed here. Click add button. It added the table successfully. In the main, the final total has been calculated successfully. Okay, after done the pause here, click complete. All things are clear. Okay, if you learn this one step by step, this is all the system you can implement in your project. Okay, this is the Angular project. So how to make this project step by step, we'll teach. So first what you are going to do is you are going to go to the source code I provide you. First I'm going to go to the Google. First I'm going to install the I'm going to write you have to go to Google and type wit. So first we have installed the Angular via wit. So this is the framework. So click on this. We have to install easily through this framework using the wit. Okay, so that's why I'm going to bring this framework. So here click get started. You have to click get started. Okay, now here you can see here this is the wit. So you can see here this is the wit creation part. Okay, now you have to copy this command for installing the Angular. So you have to copy this. You have to go, you have to create the folder. I have created the folder Angular project. Open up the command prompt window, paste this code, press enter key on your keyboard. You have to, it asks the project name. So I'm going to write pause system, press enter key. Now it asks the framework, which framework. So I'm going to select as here. You have to select here up and down arrow of your keyboard. I have to select the Angular. Select the Angular, press enter key. Select this first one, Angular, press enter key. It asks you go along with the CSS or SCSS. I'm going to select SCSS. This is advanced version of CSS. Press enter key. It asks you have to generate the server side. You have to give here yes or no. So I'm going to select no. Okay, if you want to go to SSR, you have to click enable. So at the moment I'm click select no. Press enter key on your keyboard. Okay, you have to wait until the process install. Now I have already installed successfully. Now I'm going to type cd pause system. I go inside this folder. I'm going to type code space dot to open up my project in VS Code. This project what you are going to do is here. Here I'm going to type src. This is the Angular, which is a single page application. So you can see the Angular. This is the latest version I have installed it. So the approved. So the approved, it's calling the go inside the folder. There is a HTML component, CSS and TSS. This is more important things, these two things. Okay, this is a logic we are writing. This is the designing we are writing. Okay, so when you run the program, you go new terminal, open up the new terminal. You type ngserve command to run the Angular project. Now you can see the output. What would be the output? Now yes, you have to press yes. Why? Now here you can see here the thing is it's running. Now you can see the spot is generating. It's building. The first time it will be building. After that here it's simple. Copy this. I'm going to paste on this browser. Open up the browser and paste on it. Now here Angular project is running successfully. Now you can see the running successfully. You can see the dashboard. Now what you're going to do is here. Here I'm going to explaining this here. This is your app.html file. So this is the index.html file. First, this is the single HTML file. It's called the component. Then when you work with the Angular, these all are called as component. Each and every part which are called as component base. It's working as a component base. Okay. So how to do the things? Here we have to call the CSS. So how to call the CSS? Here go to the Google and type Bootstrap. Click on this. Okay, now I'm going to go to the documentation, download, copy this min.css, paste inside this add tag, save all. After that, go to the app.component, Control A to select all the HTML file. I am going to select delete them. Now I am going to go to what you are going to do is here. Here I am going to, this is my project. All the HTML file is there in the here. I will be explaining. Don't worry. Just copy and paste. This all source code I provide you. Don't worry. This is a TS logic. Now TS logic. Here what you are going to do is this also the we are having. Here this one TS logic. Here TS logic. You have to copy this all the command. Paste on it. Now here I'm going to here. This is the imports. In Angular latest version, we know there is no app module. So here instead of the form also important, form import part we have done by this all things we have to import by like this. In this imports, whatever you do in this imports we have to do it. Okay, this here it's not error. It asks this one when you the route outlet we get rid of this line. So here this one I'm going to import the forms ng4. I need a ng4. I want to import this class. This take care of it. Okay. So first you have to install here. This is the simple. This is the programming design. This is the logic. Means a coding. So here you can see this is the heading I have written. Simple form design we have written in Angular. Okay. So when you click, this is the ng model. When you type something, it will be stored in the name. When you type something, it's stored in the price. Okay, that's how we have did it this one. This is a total calculation. If you click add button, when you type something into the text box, click add button, the item should be added into the below table. This is a below table. It has a name, price, and quantity. It should be added, and sum will be calculated. What is the price and quantity you entered? Based on the price and quantity, the total has been calculated. Okay. So here this one should be our total calculation part. So here this is the final button. This is the final total. It will be command display. It's a refresh page. This is a refresh it. You click complete button. Okay. So here when you click add products, it goes to the TS file add products function. Here the product name, price, and quantity, all things are retrieving here. So this name should be matched with this name. Here this name, here name, this ng model name, this quantity, this price, everything here, this ng model. Okay, it is coming, and you have to pass it over here. It's a sum, everything. After that, it will be adding here to the table. After that, it calculate and reduce this, calculate the total. Okay, after that, after done it, if you are clear, it will be clear. After add this one, your all things should be clear. Okay, so here if you run this post, here the post, if you are running here, nothing happened. I haven't saved it. I saved this one. What happened? This one. It's running. I'm going to save this project. Save it. Bring back to the okay. Here it's working. Now here you can see it's enter the product name and quantity. Click add button. Here it is clear. That's the thing you have did it here. After this one, it should be clear everything. Here it's clear. This field is clear. After click refresh button, this complete button, it goes to the function refresh it. This refreshing function, what does is, it should be clear everything of the form. Everything you have did it. It is calculate the total sum and price and quantity is calculated based on that one. This everything is calculated. This all source code I provide in my video description. I'll give you my link. You will be able to get them. Okay, to use it. Only you have these two files is very important stuff. You have to at the design part you have to import the bootstrap as well. This is very important for. Okay, I hope you guys will understand things well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching.